Well, Jill's over splitting on her box store splitter. So yesterday, I believe she got some footage with her processing some spruce for the first time. That's the first time that Jill's cut spruce on the CordKing. I've cut some. There she is. Music playing.
Hi everyone.
So I see you're busy doing the big box store splitter. You got almost 2 bundles done this hour.
I'm working it. Yeah.
So, yeah, this machine is so slow. It actually, the chamber will rust before it comes back with the next cycle.
Really?
And it looks like you got a soft tire. It needs a little bit of air.
Yeah, if I could get somebody to air them up for me, I got the same problem on this side too.
And the good news is we only have 2 payments left on this machine.
Yeah.
So it looks like you got quite a little bit of work to do here.
Yeah, this is all the stuff that I split yesterday that's on, that you'll see on the video.
Welcome back to Alaska Woodyard, everyone.
As you can see, we are busy already. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. And finally, a little overcast. I've got my little jacket on. It's not too cool, but it could get cooler.
Yeah, it's going to be a nice day. So I got more logs to pick up this week. And as you'll see in our video, we've been pretty busy. I've got 14 loads hauled in so far.
So far this week.
And I'm going to do 2 or 3 more today. And we're getting caught up. Well, they've been taking the wood from our job sites, so we have less than what we started with, but we call them termites. They go in and kind of help themselves. They've taken quite a bit of the wood in 3 different areas, so we don't have quite as much to bring home as we had, but we're busy, and we got some beautiful birch, and a lot more to come. Our 2 contractors tell us that they are going to be, they've got lots of work lined up, and we're going to be looking to invest in a log truck here pretty quick because we are so far behind, and
we can't get trucks.
Cannot get trucks. We can't even get a side dump to load or anything. So everybody is so busy with a truck, and
yeah,
if you got a truck up here, you will literally do well.
Right.
So either we are going to just stay our own pace and get what we can do, or we're going to go big.
I'll go home.
Or go home. So I think I'm going to take Miss Isabel. There's one woodhound right here. This is a tail wagging little woodhound. That's Isabel. And as soon as I got my gear on ready to go, she was ready to go. And little Diesel, he's out squirrel hunting. But when I get near that truck, those dogs are ready to roll.
Oh, yeah.
So thanks everyone for supporting us and the new subscribers and giving us the likes. We really appreciate it, in the comments. And did you tell them about the sad news we had about the wood stacking course?
I don't have any wood to stack.
So we're temporarily canceling the wood stacking classes for the next 2 months. So there's no classes available. We're sad to let you know. So yeah. When Paul was up and Jacob and Melissa, they were overstacking, and the wood we had left for the next class was actually sold. So we had to refund the people's money for that. So there's no more stacking classes available at this point. And when we, maybe like in November when the wind picks up and it gets down to around 0, so there's no mosquitoes, we'll have some wood and reopen the class. So.
And it'll be free of charge, of course.
Yep.
Good morning, everyone. This is Friday morning, 7:30 in the morning, 55 degrees, so it's going to be a hot one. Well, let me show you what we've got going on today. Vlad has brought in a semi-load of spruce, poplar, and a little bit of birch that we had to clean up off of our job. He'll be back this morning to pick up his trailer after we get it unloaded. So, Jeff has been getting us some logs, 2 loads a day for the past couple of days. And then Vlad was able to help us yesterday get this load. This is your beer drinking wood. This is all the wood we've got that I've already processed. There's 3 piles here. 2 of them will be leaving on Monday, so I only have 1 cord available. This is our beer drinking wood, our cottonwood and poplar, which has been going down that pile. So we have been busy. Jeff will be getting a couple of loads today while I stay here and process. I process every day. So Jeff is over here using his loader. And here he comes.
Well, good morning, everyone. I don't know if Jill told you last night, we started unloading and we blew a hose on our little log dog. So I'm going to pull off a few of the bigger ones on top of the loader. Not the best wood, but it's all aspen and birch. So the load was free, and our good friend Vlad from VB Trucking brought it up for us. And we're going to, of course, pay him and get this unloaded. I've been a busy week. Brakes on the truck, brakes and tires on the trailer.
Now a hose.
And now a hose. And we have 3 different contractors that we've been getting wood off from. One's a new contractor, house developer, so they're all wanting their wood moved. They're trying to get seeded and get landscaping done before fall here, which is a couple weeks away. So we've been kind of pressed, to say the least. So I'm going to get back to work and let Jill take you around. She's been busy. Wood's been flying out of the yard and drying nice because of the weather. So I'll give you back to Jill and we'll see you guys later. Thanks for all of our new subscribers and all the views on our last video. Appreciate it, everyone, and thanks for sticking along with us.
Well, we'll watch Jeff in action. These are some pretty big logs for aspen and cottonwood for our area. A lot of this is, I think this is a 48-foot trailer, so a lot of these logs are at least 45 feet in length. And we'll get it on the processor, cut and split for that beer drinking. Hunting is coming up here in just about a week and a half. So a lot of people will be getting bundle wood, wanting beer drinking wood, or sitting around the fire and just having a good time while they're out trying to find a moose. Well, I thought I would bring you over here at my 5 cord that was stacked with the help of Paul, Melissa, and Jacob. They are still standing. So I must have done okay with my class, wood stacking class. And if you notice, it's all gone that was still left here, which was about 3 cord. I sold it. But at least this is still standing and it is drying very nicely. all of these here. Look at the cracks in that. Holy smokes. Yeah, this is doing really, really good. We've had lots of sun, wind. Look at that one. That one there is really cracked open. A lot of wind and sunshine the past couple of weeks, so that's helped this out a lot. Look at that one. Oh, yeah. That's what we like to see. So this will be going out here this winter as dry wood. But at least it's all still standing. Nothing has fallen over. So this is some of the birch that I brought with my truck, or the dump truck, yesterday. This is some huge birch. For us, this is big birch. I can't believe that one. We won't be able to put it on the processor, but there's a lot of people that would want to buy this, and they'll go ahead and cut and split it themselves, and they get a discount on it, and there's just no way I'm going to put that through the processor. So our stacks are getting smaller, but Jeff keeps bringing more in. I'll take you around to the Woodyard and let you see how much wood we have over there. This is a lot of birch over here. Some gnarly stuff that we'll have to do a bunch of trimming before we put it on the processor and stuff, but at least the pile is going down. We have some spruce here, and this is off of the load last week. This is all we have left. We went ahead and sold those 50-footers. A guy who builds log homes stopped by and asked if he could buy those logs that was here last week, and Jeff said yes, but we might have made a contact for building us a little log cabin for across the road over on the riverside, so it all will work out. Well, here we are at the CordKing. I will be processing some spruce for my bundle wood, which I don't do very often, so we'll see how that goes. I have been working on bagging 1/3 of a cord. I think I must have 10 or 15 bags already filled up yesterday. So let me get this machine fired up, and I'll let you come along for this little ride. So that was one log. What I'm going to do here, the reason why I don't have my elevator running is because I've got the birch in the bag. But I want this spruce to go into that white toad over there. So when I get ready to resplit, I'm right next to my splitter, my box store splitter. So that's kind of what's on the agenda for today, is just to finish up these couple of more logs of spruce that's on deck and start bagging more wood. As you can see, I do have some birch up here on deck. I've only got 3 more logs to do. But let me show you over here. I have not had a chance to stack everything that I have been processing has been going out the door. This is 1.5 cords on the ground that's going up to Eureka, which is about 50-60 miles from here. He'll come next week to pick that up. But I have not been able to catch up and be able to stack any for the winter, letting it dry. People are buying it as it comes off the machine. And in some cases, I just process right into their trailer. So I'll show you some of the bags that I've been working on. Just been over here stacking them up. Just trying to get ahead of the game, and it doesn't seem like I'm getting too far ahead. I think I'm going backwards, actually. But I got quite a few bags done. And a lot of people like them. They're easy to put into their truck, just and put a strap over it and head down the road. And then these here are just little cookies that I went ahead and split. That's over there by my splitter. And we'll use them in our stove. So they're drying out pretty nice. And we've already got 4 bags in our woodshed. We can burn it just as easy as pitching it. So that's what I've started doing with a lot of our cookies, especially if it's 10, 12 inches. Our stove takes 13, so this is perfect. Well, this was Jeff's load that he brought in yesterday, and we're just now getting around to unloading it. I believe he's gotten Vlad's trailer unloaded, so now he'll unload this and go get another trailer load of logs. This is all I've got left. Not that much.
Hey, what are you doing? How come you're not working? Don't hear that processor running.
I will be.
I gotta get unloaded and get another load here, so Joe, you can fool around in the woodyard and I'll get back to work.
Yeah. I'm just letting him know what I've got to process. So these are some nice straight logs. I love it. Just my size. I like this size of wood. Those big hunkers that's down there, I'm not crazy about. But Jeff will be here to help me when I get ready to do those, because there's some gnarly ones. I call them snakes. But that kind of gives you an idea of what we're doing in our yard.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our video today. As you can see, a lot going on here in the Alaska Woodyard. And we keep the sawdust flying.
And thanks for coming along.